Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm not going to give just a tips. Today I'm going to tell you the truth that no any textbook, no any coaching center, and no English course will tell you. You have a coach, you have spent years studying English, but English from school textbook and grammar guides, apps, and the YouTube channels. But even today, you hesitate to speak English and you ask to yourself, why can't I speak English fluently after all these times? You have asked this question. I have been there too. And this video, I am going to guide it. You go deep to a reason why people sell and what to do instead stay till the end. And because if you understanding this today, your English journey will be finally begin for real. So let's start. First reason is a study English like a subject, not a language. Most of most of us learn English the way of learn math or the history, but we focused on rules, definition, and the grammar formula. But formula like a noun, word, pronoun, preposition. We study English, but we don't use English. You know what is the biggest mistake is thinking that the knowing grammar equal to speaking fluently. Think about this. Did you learn Hindi grammar before speaking Hindi fluently as a child? No. You listened, you repeated, you spoke, and your grammar comes much later. But with the English, we do opposite. We keep reading rules, but we never opens the mouth to speak. Truth speaking is a skill, but you learn by doing it, not by memorizing. It is you can't learn swimming from a book. You have to jump into the river. For so friend, if so friend, you are a someone no grammar but cannot speak and stop for scared and I ask yourself, I am a practicing speaking but just reading about it. The second reason is a fear of being judged. Let's talk about the something very real now. Fear. This fear of the making mistake, or the fear of the being judged, the fear of the people laughing at you is English is not perfect. I remember when I first started English speaking and my hands would sweat and my voice would shake and even simple would like my name is like that and felt scared to say out loud. And that fear made me silent. But here we have learned, and nobody comes fluency without making mistake. Even English, every English speaker you admire today, at the same point, spoke broken speaking. So so you can't become a confidence if you have don't allow yourself and look police and the first. So let the world laugh and let the judge you, but don't stop don't stop speaking. Mistake are proof you are trying, and as guys what people forget your mistake. You will be remember your uh, courage. Region 3, waiting for perfect ties. Now let's talk about the biggest trend of the all, waiting. We say I will start practicing after exam and I will join the coaching the first. I need two speaking partner and let me just complete grammar book. And but this is the truth. There is no perfect time to start. You already have everything you need. A mirror, a mobile phone, a brain full of the thought, a and the voice, and just need to confident. Fluency is not waiting. Start with the you you start with the you have when I begins I had no teachers, no coaching support, and I had a desire, and that was enough. Reason 4, no consistency, no display. Here the final truth. You will not succeed without daily action. Many learners speak for the one day on the stop for the week and they try to a week and the forget for it a month. Imagine if you go to the gym a day, expect the lost weight, or second example, the play guitar once the expect from the stage but sound silly, right? They were do expect the English fluency on 2 or 3 day or 1 or 2 months. Fluency is not a magic butter, it's habit. It's like brushing your teeth and like walking daily. 10 minutes daily is the more powerful than 1 hour one a week. Set a timer and pick a topic and stand the front of mirror and record your voice, but do it every single day. That's the real how fluency is born. So friend, if you are the watching wondering why are you not fluent at this understanding, the problem is not you. This it's not your background, it's not your school, not your parents. The real problem is the way of we try and to learn English and not today. We have to power to change that. Speak more, think less, don't wait, stay today, and don't chase perfect and chase progress. I believe in you. If you a simple boy from a Hindi medium background can't do this, you can do this. And let's stop saying I will start tomorrow and let's start saying I will speak today. So like this video if touch you, comment your biggest struggles, subscribe for more reels and the practice English content. Your English journey start now and let's do it together. Thank you so much watching my video. See you soon next video. Thank you so much.